Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Rubik cube look strange. Once you have resolved it, you can show it like a magic that you are going to change the central piece of the of each face, and there is an algorithm which is quite simple. So the movement is right, left, counterclockwise, then you have up, and then you have a down counterclockwise, then you'll do a front counterclockwise, then you'll do a back counterclockwise, and then finally you do a right, and then you do a left counterclockwise, and voila, you have a cube that is still resolved with all the phases resolved, but the central piece has been switched to one of the nearest parts. And this is quite nice to leave it like that, because people will be puzzled and they almost think that you made the cube directly into this situation, this shape, but instead you solved it first and then did this algorithm to leave it nice like that. And it looks like flowers. I like it a lot. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.